This guy. Who is this dude? Up here in my damn area. Who? 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 Who this is?
What up? I'm just a stranger.
Yeah. Want to see Valkyrie?
Yes.
Yeah? She's over here in the garage back. All right, so this over here, this is one of, I think, 4, including Valkyrie, Ripp supercharged vehicles in Texas. Here's where you tell the people though, what's in her?
So right now, obviously we got the Ripp supercharged V6. We got a bunch of lighting trends hookups.
Okay.
So we got the halos, which are currently on because I'm light driving with them on. You can see them during the day. We got the color strips here at night. So when I'm working on the car, breaking my car at night, I can actually turn them on and repair it. So
no, Ripp superchargers never break.
No, it's everything else that does.
Truth.
Yes.
Truth. Transmissions, diffs, whatever.
Everything in the model in between.
Yeah.
And then I have the actually the front grille also has the lights too, so you know I can pull the means.
Oh, that's tight. Okay.
All right,
what wheels we got on here?
So we have Adventist Forged AVS 3s.
Okay.
The company is actually out of business, so not a whole lot of people have.
Ah.
These. Yes.
Okay.
Copy from my buddy Randall from ModFX. They're 20s.
Are we running those crazy Arturos?
Yes, we are. The AZ850s.
What do you think?
Oh my god, I haven't spun yet. Now, granted, I'm only pushing.
I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's just say that I'm on a basically stock Ripp 2.
Okay.
So, still a lot of room to grow.
Exactly.
But,
all right. So, what size are we running up front?
So the fronts are the 275.
Okay.
20s.
And the rears?
The rears are going to be the 315, 35.
You got
20s.
bigger tires on the back than I do.
It looks cool. If anything.
He said it looks cool.
That's why I haven't lost any traction yet.
Yeah.
Well, on accident.
Shout out to
I should make that. Yep.
Shout out to the ModFX boys. Tell everybody. A lot of people don't know what ModFX is, man. That's a Texas thing. Yeah, they're growing their roots elsewhere, but what else is ModFX?
I mean, we're a one-stop shop. It's kind of like the tagline for anything for car customization. So it doesn't have to be Mopar. We do caddies, we do Corvettes, we do trucks, lift kits, lights, everything in between. So they kind of like to say that, you know, if you got a crazy idea that you want to do to your car, bring it over to ModFX and they'll try to make it work.
Nice. I like that, obviously.
Yeah.
All right, so some people don't know what's in here. You just got to see some of the behind the scenes.
Yeah.
You think people are going to trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a couple of parts in here people are sleeping on.
Big time.
You know what my favorite part is it has that gold ass intercooler.
God, it looks good though.
And people say I'm cheating.
Why?
How am I cheating? If you can't see the bright gold intercooler, I can't help you.
I mean, don't you know that, you know, wrapping it in gold adds like 50 extra horsepower and torque?
Why do you think I did it? Come on. Duh.
It's like a GTA cheat code.
Come on.
It's not fair.
Come on. And I mean, you could see right through the car and see the cage. You would,
Yeah.
I don't know. You would think it'd be a dead giveaway, but hey, what do I know?
Okay, let people be stupid. Can't fix it.
What do I know? Yeah. So I'm gonna hand the camera to you.
Oh God.
We're gonna flip the screen up. I'm gonna have you hold it up to your face, and I want the camera to catch your reaction to this thing starting.
Okay.
Chills. Straight chills. Oh my God. Pissing off the dog at the top. Pissing off the dog at the top. Dude, that thing like had like it almost sounded like you turned on a bass stereo when you turned it on. That's the Ripp exhaust.
Youch.
Which exhaust do you have on yours?
Mine? It's kind of a Frankenstein exhaust. I have a thermal R&D muffler with no resonators.
Okay. All right. Well,
but wow.
yeah, she makes a little noise.
Like I felt bad when you started it.
Oh yeah, my poor neighbors. They hate me. They have got to hate me. Anyway, all right. Let's go get some barbecue and go for a cruise.
Man, you're speaking my language.
We're gonna get chili with beans in it. You get the hit.
All right, cool. Ready?
traction like a motherfucker right there too. The first 2 gears we were spinning hard. Stupid hard. We kind of walked away from him.
A bit.
Okay, so for those of you who don't know, the big difference between mine and his car, weight reduction, okay? We do have 2 people in his vehicle, so we can't really use that. Built transmission, 390 gearing, and that's pretty much it. I mean, besides like some tuning. Should we have walked away from him quite like that? I don't think so. But it happened. We're gonna play some more. So a lot of people always say they want to see the speedometer go up. Okay? So we're gonna give you a little bit of speedometer. Here you go. You ready? See it? There you go. There's your speedometer hit. Everybody wants to see the car play. There you go. There's the car playing. God. Usually sits at around 23 miles a gallon, right? Those little baby ass pulls. 16.6. Yeah. Gonna be irritated when I tell him that the AC was on and the traction control was on. He had no excuse. All right, so I got to get the raw. What did you think of that?
I felt embarrassed, honestly.
There's no reason to be embarrassed, man.
I had to hit by half a second, and you still got me badly.
Okay.
Like,
now we were talking about it. Here's the big difference, man. There's a lot of weight savings in my vehicle.
Oh yeah.
Okay. There's 390 gears, built transmission. Okay. Now here's the here's the comes to stay savage moment.
Oh boy.
My AC was on. My traction control was still on.
I'm just gonna drive out to Houston real quick. Good to see you guys.
I'm out. Oh man. All right. Now we're gonna go get some barbecue, so we're gonna put the camera down. We'll get a little bit more here in a little bit.
Yeah.
You want the black stuff? No. The black stuff? Not black stuff.
Whoa, see, that's good eating. Now we need to get our chili with beans. Mark was over actually looking for the chili. Alright, so we got brisket, we got mac,
114.
sausage, and some crazy stuff.
Jalapeno pinto bean.
Yup, what she said. Hey, you.
What?
Don't you have your own YouTube channel now?
I do.
What is it?
Her 50.
What are you gonna do on it?
I'm gonna build
Mustang
this car.
stuff, that's all you need to say.
Yeah.
What do
Alright,
you think about the car so far?
This is Tex SXT, and it is night and day difference. The amount of work that goes into building this shit out. Like, I basically threw a Ripp kit in, did like a small tune, and then I was like, all right, cool, that's a bet. But this guy here
freaking maniac. God bless America. Building out the rest of his fucking car is gonna take me along for a ride in his car. Oh my! Oh shit! Oh my god, that hoe gripped! Oh! I think we need to go back and go get my stomach. Jesus! That thing bit hard.
Yeah, we'll go up here and we'll get a good one in.
All right. As if that wasn't a good one?
It's a baby one, man.
All right, Mom, Dad, in case you see this video and I don't make it out of Dallas,
There's plenty of safety gear. Look at the cage behind him. He's fine. Don't let him lie to you.
I mean, it's seriously like you can feel the difference, even in just cruising and shifting. Like, it is a serious difference between like a stock rear diff, which I just recently learned I might have cracked. So that sucks.
There's a slight chance yours may have some stress fractures.
Which I wouldn't be surprised because
I wouldn't either, because Mopar diffs are known to be very weak.
yeah, and not to mention, you know, it's only built for a stock V6, pushing about 240, 250 to the wheels.
Yeah.
Where now I'm pushing over 100 horsepower more.
Yeah.
So, want to give a shout out to Bape Scat for the dope hat. Hit him up. Bape_scat. I feel like I have to mention that for some reason, but yeah, I mean, this is cool. So the only reason why I'm up here is actually for work, and I decided that since I drove my car up here, I was going to stay the weekend because I really don't want to drive back to Houston for 36 hours and then drive back in the morning on Monday morning at 4 a.m.
Makes sense to me.
and then go to work at 9. I feel like, oh fuck.
What are you worried about?
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it.
Let me see whatever this is pulling up behind us.
Okay.
Here, we'll go right here. Just fuck it.
God.
So, for the AC.
Alright, the AC's killed. I'm gonna lose my fucking lunch. This makes me want to go spend $15,000 and dump it right into my car.
Shh. Shh. Don't tell me how much I put in this thing. It hurts my heart.
Oh my god.
Here, we'll get you another little baby today.
Alright. Like, you know, when I got my supercharger, I thought, man, I'm a bad motherfucker. I feel insubordinate. I feel
insubordinate.
I am
and churlish.
And churlish. I feel like I'm not even worthy to have my Ripp kit anymore. Like, I feel like there should be like a necessary budget requirement of you must plan to spend X amount of money.
Just a tad.
Just a tad. But I swear.
Okay, so tell the people literally the difference between a bolt-on kit and a fully built car. What are your thoughts?
Oh, there's no question that there's a difference. Like, I feel like the comparison between my car, which has the Ripp kit in it, and his car makes mine feel like it's a stock V6 again. Like, it's serious, because I feel like it just takes off like a bad motherfucker. Like, there's no question about it. Of course, there's my baby, all dirty, my little road trip. It's lit, yo. Had to do it one time.
Jesus.
I know, I'm so white, but it doesn't matter.
All right, boys and girls. So that was the main point of this. Is I wanted to show, because there's this whole debacle going on YouTube right now about people like, oh, the Ripp kit's this, the Ripp kit's that, and if you put this in an RT, it'll do this, and they'll never beat a 392. That's hearsay to me. I don't care. You heard it straight from another owner who has a Ripp kit what the difference is. People with Ripp kits, I want you to hear me here and not take this as disrespect. I get it, you enjoy your car. I want you to enjoy your car. Stop using my car does what 86 Faces car does, because, and I'm being serious, I'm not trying to be an asshole. You have to understand that I put a lot more time in my car
there is a retarded amount more fabrication. I'm running a way more aggressive tune. I mean, I'm barking Mickeys mid-shift.
I mean, I used to think that, like I said, like I had a bolt. Oh, I still have a bolt-on kit. I haven't done anything to it. I thought, man, this thing is fucking awesome. Like, it can't get much better than this. But then you have to realize that it's just the supercharging kit. You have so many other things that you can upgrade.
Yep.
That honestly, like, if you really want to get the most out of it, you should.
Well, in all honesty too, what a lot of V6 owners forget about, what you really need to do is do your homework. And what I mean by that is, everybody knows that they do not make a lot of parts for the Pentastar. You have to do your homework. You have to find out what fits. And if it doesn't fit, find a way to fabricate it and make it fit. Yep. That's what I've done, and I think the results, what do you think? I think they speak for themselves?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So, you're closing out the video today.
Oh shit, here we go. All right guys, this is 86 Face and Text S6T signing out. Like, share, subscribe, and most of all, stay savage.